I got a feeling I'm supposed to be the best by now. Got money on the way, manifest out loud. My mama telling me I need a rest right now, but I can't get these thoughts out my head right now. I got my mind on you, can't keep my eyes off you. Ain't no telling what I will do. I got my mind on you, yeah. And I feel like the only real one left right now. Some people probably wish I was dead by now. Game kinda feel like it's chess right now, cause it's shit black and white and they check me out. I took some L's but that shit stem for learning. Too many girls on my dick had to curve him. I was locked in, way before the coffin. Butterfly effect is the my final version. Okay, I found my voice in a loud web. I got a feeling I'm supposed to be the best by now.